I've just spent £21 on this cruise around Lan Ha Bay. Now, is this cheap for a reason, or is this just really good value? A bus came to everyone's hotel to pick them up around the island. We then got to the harbour and our tour guide gave us a brief to let us know how the day would pan out. And then, can you believe this was our boat? This is so nice. But I can't believe this boat alone is worth £21. It's so clean. They've provided drinks and we've just had a little tea. We've all sat in little groups.
Looks just like in that James Bond movie.
Oh, that's a long time since I've seen James Bond.
Wow.
It feels like the postcards as well.
Yeah. Very, very picturesque.
Yeah, it's so good. So this is the 3rd floor and we can get a full panoramic surround. Hello. Surround view of the whole place. Honestly, right, I'm looking forward to kayaking because I've simply never done kayaking before and it looks cool. We spent a couple of hours cruising through the bay. It's a shame it wasn't blue sky and sunny, but on the flip side of that, it did keep the temperature down. And then we finally reached the point where we do the kayaking. What we're looking at here?
The lucky fish.
Oh, okay.
For more tourists come.
Do they eat it or?
That could feed us all.
Enough money they will sell.
Okay, yeah.
Feed the full boat.
But they are called the lucky fish.
Lucky
So they
fish.
will not sell them cheap.
Okay. How much do you think? Like a couple million or much more?
For the big size like this, they will sell like about 2 million for 1 kilogram.
Per kilogram, right?
Yes,
Okay.
this one is about 40 kilogram.
Wow. Everybody's going in pairs, but I'm going alone.
Okay.
Never done this before and I'm doing it by myself. Here we go, here's mine. Oh, why does it look so small? Where are you going? Should I go at the back or the front? The back? Oh, okay. Oh, there's water inside it.
Sit down. Want to go with me?
Huh?
You want to record video? You want to go with me? I can like control the boat for you and you can
Are you
record
sure?
freely.
Are you sure? Is that okay?
Có cho em đi cái này đi anh ơi, bởi vì nó quay video.
Oh, sweet.
Yes. This will be easier for you. Okay, put me in. Put me in. All right, and now you get on the front.
Like, oh.
I will stay in the back to help you. But you can record a lot of beautiful videos. Cho I xin quay trèo nào.
Oh.
Yeah, I sit down the hole. Yes.
Oh my god, that was weird. Oh, we're rowing as well.
Good to go.
I don't know how I'm going to hold the camera, but yeah.
Then you can put it in a hole in the front. You see in the hole.
Yeah, it doesn't. I don't know. We'll try and do something. This is so fun.
Yeah.
Wait, let me.
If we are not dancing on kayak, it will be okay.
Dancing? Who's dancing?
Woohoo!
This is actually quite nice.
Yeah, so is everyone on good?
Let me put the camera down. I need to try and figure out how to.
Follow me.
Oh, that might work in there like this. I think I've worked it out. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Who's racing? Are you strong?
Yeah, for sure.
This is so good, right? There's so many people. Many people going from. So we're going in 3 caves.
Yes.
But one's
the
a secret.
Cave, the bright cave, and we're looking for the secret cave.
Secret
Come visit
cave.
Together.
That sounds fun.
You see on the right side there?
This one?
There is the entrance of the duck cave.
Oh.
But it's too dangerous.
Too
You
dangerous.
know, has a name, duck nest inside, and have a lot of mussel, oyster.
Oh, really?
The shape of them very sharp. And
Ah.
it's everywhere around the layer.
Oh,
And
that.
many people accident when they are coming there.
Oh, really?
By the government, they are close the place.
Oh, that'd have been cool to go in. We like a bit of danger.
Yeah.
I'm joking. Safety first. Hello.
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 Oh, why don't people wave anymore? Yeah, just explaining about the rubbish in the water. It's not nice to see, but unfortunately this is 2026 and it's the reality.
From the sea.
Oh, the tide is going up now.
Yes.
Does it actually go up to there then?
Go up to the land on top there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, it does go.
About 4 meter difference between low tide and high tide.
What, 4 meters in height? That's cool. This is why you always go with the tour guide, because he does the best route. He was just saying, if we go into the middle, you get the best angle through. So you've got the guys at the side there, they might go through the side as well. But when you've got the tour guide, Mr. Happy, top man, top man. Here we go.
Hello.
Hello. Wow, check this out. I've been in a cave before, but not on water. First time on water in a little cave. Well, tunnel, I guess. Are the other ones bigger, or are they all like same like this?
It's always like this. It's just longer.
Oh yeah.
Every cave in Lan Ha Bay and Ha Long Bay is like a tunnel.
Okay,
In Ha Long Bay, they have some more cave is bigger.
Yeah.
It's go inside the mountain.
Wow.
Some cave you can walking around.
Really?
It's really large.
Oh my god, that would have been good.
Yeah.
That means we have to come back and do that one.
So do one trip in.
We've gone too fast. Well, you've gone too fast. I didn't do much.
Two guy. Local.
Oh, it's so good though.
Yeah.
It's so good. So this is the second cave. What was the name of this one?
The Bright Cave.
The Bright Cave. I can see why you call it the Bright Cave. It's nice and white.
I see this one is like Lan Ha Bay, but upside down.
This is quite big as well. It's quite a big one. Oh, and the water's dripping from the rock. That's cool as well.
Like raining in the cave, right?
Yeah, raining in the cave. Oh my god, that is so good.
And the amazing is the
Oh yeah.
cave after the cave.
You have bats as well.
Yes.
I just heard. Yeah, we just heard the bats.
Every cave in the bay have bats
Oh.
live inside.
You can't really see them on the camera because it's too dark. But there's.
We need a very bright light.
Yeah.
And look up the hole like this one,
Yeah.
this one, and that one. A lot of bats up there.
You can hear them. Well, I can hear them.
A bright light. You see a lot of them.
Wow, this opening, it's like a movie.
Yeah. King Kong Skull Island.
Yeah.
It is the movie recorded in Lan Ha Bay.
Really?
Yeah, 2016. You should see it one time.
It was filmed in Ha Long Bay.
Yes, a lot
Wow.
of Bay, Ha Long Bay, and Ninh Bình.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
You should see the movies. It's recorded in Lan Ha Bay 2016.
Oh,
So
wow.
good.
Wow. So is that why it's really popular then, because of the movie?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. Everything's so big, like the mountain's so big. It's all really open. It's so nice. That cave was good. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's actually really shallow now. And Happy was just saying that when the tide is really low, they have to walk through. But we're okay now, right? Oh my god, look how close that is. It's so shallow. Okay, so this is the secret cave. Yeah, you really cannot see it from back there. You cannot see it at all. Oh god, it looks dark. Oh, there's crabs, I think. Something there, I think.
And have a lot of oyster on the rock.
Oh, oysters. Oh, there's little fish.
Oh,
Really little fish?
inside. Yeah, have everything in here. You see the coral there?
Yeah. Oh yeah, little coral. Wow, this is really dark. I don't think this is coming through on the camera. This is cool though. Wow.
It's really cool.
This is absolutely awesome. Again, yeah, it's still really shallow. I don't know what's coming through on the camera, but it's so shallow. And then we come out. Little fish. Fish are so small.
If you come here about 1 month ago, you can see a lot of tiny jellyfish.
Oh yeah,
Around the lake here.
tiny yellow
It's
fish.
like the home of jellyfish.
Oh, jellyfish. This is definitely one of the best things I've done so far. 100%.
One of the best jobs.
Yeah, this guy's got a good job.
Yes.
He's got a really good job. We think we found a jellyfish.
This one we can eat them.
You eat these?
Yes, we eat this one.
I hope that's coming through on the camera.
White color jellyfish.
Wow.
But we have to clean the sting from the tail of them for about 1 hour before we can eat them.
Wow.
Yes.
That's the first time I've seen a jellyfish in the sea. And we have survived the kayaking. That was one hell of an experience. Like I said, it's the first time I've done kayaking. And it was such good fun. It's so beautiful, as you can see. Thank you, Happy. He did most of the rowing, but he did offer. That was good, right?
Very nice.
That was so beautiful and peaceful. It's so good. This is me not going on the slide. I don't like my face in the water. I am here in the sea. So they're all basically going down this slide. But I am not doing that because I really cannot put my head under the water. That is something I'm not doing. But I'll tell you what, this is quite, oh, it tastes awful. Quite warm. Oh. No fear when you're a little kid. Salt water tastes awful. Oh, she's going for it. Oh, she's done it, she's done it. Wow. Jump! 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 It's quite hard to swim when you've only got one hand. One arm, sorry. So we're going to put the camera down and come back and we're going to have some fun. I'm still not putting my head underwater though. Absolutely not. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. We are back and we are going to try and get to that beach. I've got myself a life jacket just because I'm absolutely knackered. I've just done a bit of swimming off camera, but I'm so unfit. So we're going to try and make it over there slowly but surely. Yo! I'm too tired. I got myself a life jacket. Yeah, you're right. I just want to sleep. I still can't believe this is only £21. This is such good value for money. It really is good. I can't fault anything. The tour guide, he's called Happy. He's just been fantastic. He's just so attentive to everybody. And he's over there somewhere by himself having a good time. Here we are, on the beach. It's all stony and what looks like shells. Oh, look, there's all the different. So what are these then? They're like shells. Shells inside the rock. It's very hard to walk on the shells though. But man, no, this bit of beach here is beautiful. It's just like pure sand, look. Really nice soft sand to walk on. I just want to reiterate how cool this is. £21 lets you do all this, and the food was awesome. I've seen the guys cooking, preparing food in the back just now as well, so I don't know if there's more food to come or what. I'm not sure what they were doing that for, but I guess we'll find that out. Let me know in the comments if you think this is worth it. Let me know if you've done it. Let me know if you're gonna do it, and make sure that you subscribe. That boat looks like it was coming for me then. I'm flapping as fast as I can to get away from it. That's alright, he's gonna miss me. You know when you're just sort of looking and thinking, oh dear, we're on a collision course. In fact, it's still drifting a little bit this way. Please don't hit me, because this guy is pulling up the anchor. That's another good thing about this trip as well. The people that we've met, or that I've met, on this boat have been absolutely fantastic. Been hanging out with those, like I said, those two French guys, and this couple from Canada. So we've been talking about stuff. It's coming round. Don't kill me.